Hi guys, in front of me is iPhone and let me show you how to activate driving mode on iOS 16. So at first open the settings, then click on focus, and here you will notice driving smoothly marker, and here you can activate it and also customize it easily. So let's manage it at first. Click on people, and if you wish to allow some notifications from particular contact, just tap on add and pick the contact that you wish to add to this exception list. Here you can also allow repeated colors if you wish, just like this. Then let's go back. Now you can send some auto replay. Let me pick the resends, and then you can customize the message right here. So from now on, all recent contacts or favorite contacts, whichever you set, will receive this kind of message once they call you on this driving focus mode. So let's go back. We set the auto reply, and now you can also customize your screens. Just tap on choose here, and you can smoothly pick home and lock screens here. You can add a new one if you wish, but I will go with this one. Tap on done. As you can see, it is picked, and here you can turn it on automatically, or you can set it on some particular time, so you can smoothly choose it when connected to car Bluetooth automatically or manually. So whenever you will turn it on manually by yourself in this panel, it will be active, and then you will have to switch it off the same way. You can also activate it with CarPlay if you wish. So this is it, how you can customize driving focus mode. And also when you wish to delete it, if you want to get rid of this mode, just tap on delete focus and then confirm it. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.